Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Apple ID from iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to remove your Apple ID account or any Apple ID account from iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. Locate and click on the Apple account name. Now, under the Apple account name, scroll down. It should say sign out. Click on sign out. Then it should say erase this iPhone after signing out. If you want to erase your iPhone once you signed out, click on erase this iPhone. But if you don't want to erase your iPhone, you just want to simply sign out of the iPhone, click on sign out but don't erase. Then it should say sign out but don't erase. To make signing back faster, most data will remain on your iPhone, including any data that hasn't been synced with iCloud. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then it should say unsynced data from Notes will be permanently removed when you sign out. So if you have any unsaved data from your Notes app, this is going to be deleted permanently. Go ahead and click on continue anyway. Then it should say these items will be removed: your Apple account and then your wallet. If you want to continue, click on continue. Then it should say signing out. Now hang on while the sign out process or the process to remove your Apple ID account from your iPhone begins. This might take a couple of seconds to sign out, and in the process, you might be asked to type in your Apple ID account to confirm that you truly want to sign out or remove the Apple ID from your iPhone. And then once your account is removed, you should say no iCloud account, and then you're good. That's exactly how to remove Apple ID from iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.